Tired of manually multiplying every number to add a percentage? Let's supercharge your Excel skills by learning how to increase an entire column by a specific percentage in seconds. First, identify the column you want to increase. For this example, we'll use column B, which contains several numerical values representing sales figures. Next, in an empty cell, you're going to enter a formula to calculate the percentage increase. Click on an empty cell. For instance, cell C1. This cell will temporarily hold our percentage increment. To set your percentage increase, we'll start by typing the number 1 into this active cell. Now, to increase our values by 5%, we'll type a plus sign and then 5%, so the formula in cell C1 will be equals 1 plus 5%. This creates a multiplier. Press enter. You'll see 105 appears in cell C1. This is our multiplier for a 5% increase. Now, click back on cell C1. Click and drag the fill handle, that small square at the bottom right of cell C1, one cell to the right, into cell D1. This copies the formula. Ensure you're not dragging down the column just yet. Now, important, go back to cell C1 where our multiplier is. Press the F4 key on your keyboard. You'll see $signs appear before the C and the 1, making it an absolute reference, like $C$1. This is crucial for applying the same multiplier to all cells. With cell C1 correctly set up with the absolute reference, select the entire column of numbers you want to increase. In our case, it's the entire column B. Now, click and drag the fill handle of cell C1 down to the last number in your selected column B. Watch as all the numbers in column B are instantly increased by 5%. See, all your sales figures are now 5% higher. Thanks to a simple formula and cell referencing, you can easily adjust the percentage in cell C1 to apply different increases to new sets of data. Mastering this technique will save you immense time on large datasets. Give it a try and boost your Excel efficiency today.